Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel where we break down complex topics in just 2 minutes. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. What is it? Who created it? How does it work? When was it created? And why? Stick around and we'll answer all your burning questions. 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's a decentralized digital currency that's not controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it operates on a global network of computers. Think of it as money for the internet age. 2. Who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin's mysterious creator goes by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows their true identity, adding to the intrigue surrounding Bitcoin. Satoshi published a white paper in 2008 outlining the concept, and the Bitcoin network officially came to life in 2009. 3. How does Bitcoin work? Imagine you have a virtual wallet that stores your Bitcoins. Instead of traditional banks verifying transactions, Bitcoin uses a technology called blockchain. It's a public ledger that records all transactions and is secured by cryptography. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, it's added to a block, which is then added to the chain. This process ensures transparency and security. 4. When was Bitcoin created? Bitcoin's journey began in 2008 when Satoshi Nakamoto released the white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The first Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, was mined on January 3, 2009, marking the official birth of Bitcoin. 5. Why was Bitcoin created? Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin to address some key issues with traditional currency and banking systems. They wanted to provide an alternative form of money that would be decentralized, not controlled by any central authority, transparent. All transactions are publicly recorded on the blockchain, secure. Cryptography ensures the integrity and security of transactions. Accessible. Bitcoin can be used by anyone with an internet connection, promoting financial inclusion. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins, preventing inflation. Conclusion. In just 2 minutes, we've covered the basics of Bitcoin: what it is, who created it, how it works, when it was created, and why it exists. Bitcoin has revolutionized the way we think about money and finance, and its impact continues to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick dives into intriguing topics.